There he is.
It's a beauty. Lord shall preserve thy going out and thy coming in from this time forth and even forevermore.
We got a bunch of mausoleum single buildings here, but it's kind of stupid how they don't label this. I've been searching this for hours, like, it says section Q. And here he is. It says given on it, not Mr. Rogers, but on the side it says Mr. Rogers. But wow, isn't this nice? There he is. Mr. Fred McFeely Rogers, 2003. Ain't that nice? And then in the background, you can see you got the angel. And, wow, he's got, this is his own mausoleum. Nancy, there's Fred. I think that's his, wow, his wife or someone just died. 2021. It's almost been a year. Let's look on the outside. You know, what they need to do is mark this Rogers. It's given. Whatever. It's on the corner. There it is, look. I used to watch this as a child. Man, I don't know what he died from. I don't know if it was old age or cancer or something. I might have to look that up. Look at this. Gotta be rich to have your own little building. I don't need one because I'm no one special.
I would probably imagine this is
his family's grave site.
Get back to my museum.
It's pretty nice, his own little building. You know, as much money as he has, this could be taken. And they got that on so no one won't break into it. You already got the idiots, but yeah, well, anyway, glad I came out here to see this. It's beautiful out here. Very hilly. You got the yellow brick road. But again, people, it does not say Rogers on the building. It says given. This nice. Wow. Super, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I wish they put Rogers on it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take off. And I'm going to allow this guy to rest in peace. And his wife. And then somebody just died on the year January of 2021. Alright, let's get going.
Through the neighborhood of make-believe, and asked parents during the Persian Gulf War to promise their kids they would always be safe. The show was a hit.
Rogers well.
He was very modest, especially when you take into account that he's one of the most famous faces in America.
Fame was not important to Rogers. What counted was
Get back to my museum.
Here I go.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood.